How to fix your National Bank of Canada's card declined. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your NBC bank card declined. So sometimes when you're trying to make a purchase or tap your card on a certain POS, it'll say declined. So in this video, we'll go through some of the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the most common reason is insufficient funds or credit. Now this happens when, let's say, you have $100 on your account and you're trying to make a purchase of, let's say, $150. Your card will straight up say declined as you do not have the sufficient funds to cover the transaction. Now the second most common reason is your daily limit or transaction limit reached. Now let's say you just have a daily limit of $1,000 and you've already used up all of it. Now even if you try to make a purchase of, let's say, $10, your card will not go through as you have already exceeded the daily transaction limit. Now another reason may be your card is expired or that you have locked your card. So make sure your card status is active, it is well within the expiry date, and it is not locked. Another thing you gotta make sure is you do not have any restrictions or security holds on your account, as if you do have any of them, you most probably will not be able to use your cards. So once you've made sure all of these, your card should tap again. But if your card is still declining, simply call this number and they will be able to help you with your problem. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.